Welcome to our channel. Activating your Wells Fargo secured card through the mobile app is quick and convenient. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Download the Wells Fargo mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't already have it. Install the app on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app and sign in with your online banking username and password. If you're new to Wells Fargo online banking, register for an account first. Step 3. Navigate to the Accounts section of the app. Look for Accounts or My Accounts in the main menu. Step 4. Find your new Wells Fargo secured card in the list of your accounts. It may show as inactive or pending activation. Step 5. Tap on your secured card to view its details. Look for an option labeled Activate Card or something similar. Step 6. Enter your secured card number when prompted. This 16-digit number is located on the front of your card. Step 7. Provide any additional verification information required, such as the card's expiration date and CVV code found on the back. Step 8. Review the confirmation message displayed in the app. Your Wells Fargo secured card is now activated and ready to use for purchases to help build your credit history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.